Hello viewers, so are you stuck on how we can solve this maths problem within the shortest time possible? So worry not, let us work it out within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So let's start with the solution. So in our solution, this one is what we have. We shall have 6 to the power of x minus 3 is equals to 72. So what's the approach? I suggest that you use the log, though there are several ways in which you can solve it. So with us, let's just introduce the log and solve it within the shortest time possible. Now, so let's introduce the log on both sides. So here I shall have the log of 6 to the power of x minus 3 is equals to the log of 72. So from there now, we all know that suppose we have the log of p to the power of m. So this one can also be written as m the log of p. So I want us to express the log of 6 to the power of x minus 3 in the form of m log p. So we shall have something like x minus 3 log 6, x minus 3 log 6 is equals to the log of 72. So we shall be forced to divide both sides by the log of 6 so that we remain with x minus 3 on this other end. So here now we shall divide by the log of 6, this side also by the log of 6, so that the log of 6 and the log of 6 shall cancel each other. So meaning that we shall have x minus 3 is equals to the log of 72 all over the log of 6. So that is to mean that we can still express the log of 72 by working it out further. So here x minus 3 is equals to the log of 72 can also be written as the log of 6 multiplied by 12. Then we shall put them into bracket all over the log of 6. So now we shall say that, so according to the law of the log, x minus 3 shall be the same as, so here now we shall have the log of 6 plus the log of 12 all over the log of 6. So let's now split by dividing both sides by the log of 6. So meaning that now we shall have x minus 3. So x minus 3 is equals to, so the log of 6 plus the log of 12. So we divide both sides by the log of 6 all over the log of 6. So here now we shall say that x minus 3 is equals to, so the log of 6 and the log of 6 shall cancel. So 1 plus the log of 12 all over the log of 6. So we don't stop there, since you can still factorize this, the log of 12. So x minus 3 is equals to 1 plus the log of 12 can also be written as the log of 6 multiplied by 2, then all over the log of 6. So x minus 3 in this case is equals to 1 plus, so this one you can have the log of 6 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 6. So our next step now, we shall have something like this. So x minus 3 is equals to 1 plus the log of 6 plus the log of 2. So we divide both sides by the log of 6, this side also by the log of 6. So our x minus 3, so x minus 3 is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 6 and the log of 6 shall cancel, so now we shall have 1 plus here the log of 2 all over the log of 6. So that is not the answer. Let's work it now, the final word. Now we shall say, so before we proceed, note that when we have the log A all over the log B. This one can also be written as the log of A to the base of B. So I want us to express the log 2 all over the log 6 into the form of log A to the base of B. So x minus 3, so x minus 3 is equals to 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus the log of 2 to the base of 6. So here we shall now say that x minus 3, so let's simplify it. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 6. So let's remain with x on this side by doing away with the negative 3. So now our x, the final value for x is equals to 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 6. Then, since this one is minus 3, when it crosses the cosine, it will be plus 3. So, and that one now marks the value for x. So, our value for x is equals to 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 6 plus 3. So, we can still confirm it. So, let's now confirm and check if indeed it is really true by confirming. So we had 6 to the power of x, 6 to the power of x minus 3 is equals to 72. So this one is what we had. So where there is x, we shall indicate all that we had. So here now we shall have 6, so to the power of 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 6 plus 3, and don't forget minus again 3 is equals to 72. So this one can be written this way: 6 to the power of 2. So we can still express it by having 6 to the power of 2. So 6 to the power of 2, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 6, the log of 2, so 6 to the power of 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 6 plus 3 minus 3. So all that one is equals to 72. Because 3 minus 3 is 0, so we shall have 72. So now we shall have, here now we shall say that 6 to the power of 2 is having 6 multiplied by 6. Then we shall put it into the bracket. Then this, the sign addition, shall now change to the multiplication sign. Then the log to the base of 6 shall cancel with this 6. Now shall remain with 2 is equals to 72. So 6 times 6 is 36. Multiplied by 2 is equals to 72. So 36 times 2 is 72 is equals to 72. So meaning that we are correct when you say that our value for x, so our value for x finally is equals to 2 plus the log of 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 6 plus 3. So this one is our correct answer. So if you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.